Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn about the remove items from the dictionary. Okay, let's have a look here. See, there are several methods to remove items from the dictionary. Okay, there is so many ways to remove items from dictionary. In that first one is the pop method. Okay, the pop method removes the items with the specified key name. Okay, see, by using pop method, we can remove the item, okay, any item from the list. Okay, let's have a look here. This is the I declared one dictionary. Okay, by using dot pop. Okay, inside the parenthesis, we can mention the key name. Okay, key name. Then see the output. Okay, see, for an example, here I have a dictionary. I already declared a dictionary with the profile variable name. Okay. See, in that, what I mentioned, name is job and year I mentioned as a key names Ashok 34 trader 1991 RA values of key names. Okay. Here, suppose if I want to remove year, okay, if I want to remove year, no, if I want to remove job, okay, if I want to remove job, see what I can, how I can remove pop profile variable name dot pop. Okay, under the pop you can mention the, okay, you can mention the key name. Okay, which element you can remove. Okay, you can mention key name. Okay, here job I mentioned clearly, then print profile. Okay, then print profile. Let's have a look the output. See, here job, okay, key name job is removed. Okay, key name job is removed. Okay, there is no job key name. In this way we have mentioned the, okay, in this way we can uh, remove any items from the list. Okay, and the next method is pop item. The next method is pop item. The pop item can do it will remove the last element from the dictionary. Okay, it will remove last element from the list dictionary. Here what are the last elements? Year, okay, 1991. Okay, let's have a look. See, the last item was removed like this. Okay, the last item was removed like this. Okay, you can mention by using pop item. Okay, the next one is delete. Okay, see, I already shown you pop item. The pop item method removes the last inserted item. Okay, last inserted item. The in the version before this, this feature is not there. Okay, let's please consider it. Now see, the by using pop item we can remove the last element from the dictionary. The next one is the del keyword. The del keyword removes the items with the specified key name. Okay, the del keyword with the specified key name. See, let's have a look here what is saying. Here I have a dictionary. I have a dictionary. In that dictionary, I am mentioning the del keyword. Okay, at the starting of the variable name, del keyword. Next, you can mention the profile. Okay, profile. And after profile, you can mention, okay, square braces. Under square braces, you can mention the key name. Okay, key name. Okay, now let's have a look. See, there is no job. Okay, there is no job. In this way we can use the del keyword. Okay, the final one, clear. Okay, clear. See, the clear method empties the dictionary. It will remove all the key value pairs from the dictionary. Okay, let's have a look here what I'm doing. Here I mentioned profile variable name, profile dot clear. Okay, profile dot clear. It will clear the all elements from the dictionary. Just it is keep as empty. Okay, empty dictionary. Okay, in this way we can remove items from the dictionary. I hope you understand, friends. Total four methods are there, of three methods and one keyword is there. One is pop item, clear are methods, and del is the keyword. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. Let's do practice. You can understand very easily. Okay, if you understand, please like and subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Okay, if any issues are there, please mention in the comments. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you so much.